Welcome to our channel. Today we how to delete Reddit account on desktop, simple steps step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your desktop. Go to the Reddit website. Log in to your Reddit account using your credentials. Locate your profile icon in the top right corner of the page and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select User Settings. In the User Settings menu, navigate to the Account tab on the left sidebar. Scroll down to the bottom of the Account section. Click on the Deactivate Account button. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to provide your username and password again. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. You will also need to select a reason for leaving from the drop-down menu. Once everything is filled out, check the box acknowledging that you understand the consequences of deactivation. Click on the Deactivate button to complete the process. Your Reddit account is now scheduled for deletion. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your account deactivation. Make sure to check your email to confirm the action was successful. If you wish to reactivate your account later, you can still do so within 30 days. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted along with your posts and comments. Be sure to save any content you want to keep before proceeding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.